I love plants. I think it's the coolest thing to take a piece of a plant, put it in soil, give it some water, a little bit of fertilizer, and then anywhere from 6 to 10 months later, you have this beautiful plant that you can sell. I remember as a kid playing in the compost pile with my trucks and putting pots and flats or watering with my dad in the greenhouses. I remember going out there with the rototiller. I'd prepare the soil. My dad would show me, and he kind of showed me and then washed his hands of it and said, okay, this is your thing. You go ahead and do this. Now I walk in the greenhouses and see my kids watering the plants. I would have never thought it would happen. We had this awesome plant, Begonia immaculata, that we needed to propagate it. We were sold out. The girl who's the buyer, she's like, I can't get it anywhere. I was like, well, I have my front porch. Take cuttings of it. Let's do this. We were able to propagate it, and we got a plant that we couldn't find anywhere else. And sure enough, here we have it in production now. When we sit at the table at the end of the year, what is it that makes Barlow special? It's the people and it's the plants. When I look at the next 40 years, Barlow's isn't going anywhere. I feel super fortunate to have this business, and I hope to someday pass it on to my kids.